A new Motorola smartwatch is on its way as renders and specs of the upcoming Moto Watch 100 have leaked online, and these leaks are exclusive on my channel. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nitish, and today in this video I am going to reveal the leaks of Moto Watch 100 and the specs of Moto Watch 100. So make sure you stick till the end of the video and do subscribe to my channel for the giveaways. So now, without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. So the upcoming Moto Watch 100 has a circular display with a minimalist design. The right edge seems to house a 2-button with a metallic finish, while the watch body have a matte finish. And it might appear from the renders that the Moto Watch 100 could sport a rotating bezel, but the report says that the device will not have this feature. The Moto Watch 100 is said to have 1.3-inch circular LCD with a 360 by 360 pixel resolution display. It measures 42 mm by 46 mm by 11.9 mm and weighs around 29 grams, which could make this watch lightest Motorola smartwatch. The smartwatch is rumored to pack with a 355 mAh battery. It will also offer Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity instead of Bluetooth 5.2 found on the latest wearables. The new Moto Watch 100 could run a real-time operating system since it is said to be an entry-level device. The upcoming Motorola smartwatch could feature heart rate sensor, accelerometer, gyrometer, HRM, SpO2 sensor, and an ambient light sensor. It is also said to offer sleep tracking and a step counter. There is no information on the number of the sports mode that will be available on the device. It is likely to launch in the following weeks, and other than this, there are two more Motorola branded smartwatches that are expected to launch by the end of March 2022. So let's see how this smartwatch looks when it arrives. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want full unboxing and reviews of Motorola Watch 100. And you guys also let me know in the comment section below that what are your thoughts on the leaks of Moto Watch 100. So guys, that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe.